opening one of our books on an iPhone that does not have Google Drive installed. So what you would do is you'd go and try and find the book that you want to open, tap and hold on the book, or you can just tap it, and what will happen is it will open in Safari. Okay, I'm going to try to recreate that right now. If I tap open, it brings me to this screen, and then the next area you're going to tap is underneath the blue open. There looks like a little tray with an arrow, so you'll tap on that, and then a download will begin. You'll get this screen, tap download, okay? And then this is really tricky. Down here in your address bar, the address for the website, you see a little blue circle. If you tap on that, you get this whole menu that pops up. And then in that menu, you see downloads. So you tap on downloads, and then you can see the latest downloads that Safari has performed. And both of these are books from our website. I'll tap on the one that I'm demonstrating here, Playground. When you tap on that, it will jump out to the app iBooks, which you must have installed on your iPhone before you do this. And then you will be able to read the book on your phone.